I just found the most insane science gadgets, like a blaster that fires real lightning, gloves that let me climb walls like Spider-Man, or a plasma reactor that lets me shape raw energy. And up first is this gadget that creates 3D holograms. This gadget is a 3D mirroscope, and it can turn any object into a hologram. This gadget is made up of 2 curved mirrors, and when the real object is placed at the bottom and you close it up, the mirrors reflect light onto each other, creating a focal point at the top, which makes the floating image you see. You can put anything in it. You want a cookie? Psych, it's not real. Want to get rich? Psych, you're broke. But this next gadget is real. I'm holding a tube of plasma in my hand. It might not look like it, but let's charge up the air around my fingers to 100,000 volts and see what happens. That glow is crazy. So these are tubes of luminous gases, and they light up when they come near the Tesla coil. So how does it work? You can think of the atoms in this tube as a jar of fireflies. Right now, the fireflies are sleeping, but when it gets close to the Tesla coil, it's like a mini thunderstorm. The Tesla coil emits energy that excites the atoms, which knocks off electrons, and these collisions emit light energy. This whole entire process is called ionization. And different gases glow different colors when they turn into plasma. Neon glows orange, argon is a light purple, helium glows white, krypton glows blue, and xenon glows an aqua color. One of our later gadgets will use this luminous gas to create something you've probably never seen before. I can bend water with this next gadget, the Chinese spouting bowl, turning calm waters into a raging wave. Sadly, I'm not the next Avatar. I just know how to use science. So this bowl and the handle is made of bronze, which vibrates easily. So that means if I start rubbing these handles, it will start creating friction, which is then translating into vibration throughout the entire bowl. These vibrations cause the entire bowl to resonate, creating ripples. And at higher frequencies, the energy is so strong it throws the water upwards, creating the spouting effect. And the harder I rub, the more she squirts. Yeah! This next gadget is able to make things levitate. If we put in this piece of foam, you can see it starts floating. And it's not using any strings at the top or the bottom. Instead, it's using sound waves to keep it afloat. If you listen carefully, you might be able to hear a slight buzzing sound. There are 2 transducers, one at the top and the bottom, which are basically like high-frequency speakers. They produce an ultrasonic sound wave. These sound waves travel in different directions, but share the same frequency and amplitude. This creates a standing wave pattern. In this pattern, there are stable points called nodes, and these nodes create tiny invisible pockets of air pressure strong enough to